皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's kanji is this. Means hold, carry, or have. On reading is じ。Kun reading is 持つ。The stroke order of this kanji is this. So, 持つ have several meaning in English, like カップを持ちます。hold a cup. And バッグを持ちます。carry a bag. Or 車を持っています。means I have a car. But most likely you'll see this kanji on the street is 持ち出し means take something out. Okay, here are what you see this kanji on the street. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。